Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working on a very awesome project. So as the picture you saw before, we are going to be working on a canvas for a friend of mine who her first letter of her name starts with an F and she's moving away. She's leaving me to go to Alabama, so I needed to make her something so that every time she saw it, she could be reminded of her crazy crafting Cuban, me. Because I'm going to miss her, and I'm going to miss her presence and her amazing soul. So, stay tuned to check out the craft. Hey guys, so we are going to be mixing these three glitters up: onyx black, silver, and diamond white. So we're just gonna put that in the cup, put a generous amount. All right, now some silver. Whoa, that was a lot of silver. Throw some white, and bam, mix it up. I want it to be like a dark, kind of like almost black, silvery, really nice color. All right, now we take our adhesive spray it all over the canvas. Make sure we get all of it so that the glitter sticks perfectly. All right. And we're gonna get our cup with our glitter and just like that. Boom. All right. And we're gonna shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Oh, yeah. Perfect. All right. And there we have it. All right. Let's make sure we get all of our last little bits off. And we're gonna put the last thing, our glitter sealant. Boom! Make sure that all the glitter stays nice and in place. Hey guys, so it turns out that I accidentally painted the wrong side of the F because, mistakes happen and I don't know what I was thinking and I wasn't paying attention. So I painted the other side off camera and bam, this is what it looks like. So it's actually an F now, and we are going to put it right here in the middle of our canvas. So we are going to be using E6000 glue, and we are going to hopefully get this bad boy nice and straight and beautiful so our friend who is leaving us has something to remember us from Jacksonville by. All right, this is the final canvas. Tell me your thoughts, guys. Do we like it? Do we like the color scheme? Is it cute? Do we like the curvy F? I think it's amazing. I think our friend is going to love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.